The EMA 50, in every way that really matters, is at present at $0.001, which basically is very critical. The $0.000746995 support level for SPEL United States dollar basically is serious areas of strength for truly, generally is very huge. SPEL United States dollar basically is gone up against with obstruction level of R1 at $0.0009690, or so they generally thought. Bears control SPEL's sort of current cost activities, or so they especially thought. 08 July 2023. In this video we will really walk you through especially SPEL exceptionally token cost examination for now, or for genuinely 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these as often as possible. Basically sought clarification on some things facts. What generally is certainly transient cost expectation for essentially SPEL token fundamentally is especially SPEL a by and large wise interest in an especially significant manner. SPEL truly token help and opposition levels, and so on in a kind of enormous manner. Yet prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the SPEL specialized examination, truly let us especially discuss the by and large current economic situations, or so they generally thought. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there most certainly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,177,112,561,953, or so they most certainly thought. The by and large all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $20,577,638,440, which generally is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33%, showing how the EMA 50 most certainly is as of now at $0.001 in an all things considered significant way, which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,231.42 level after a decay of 0.54% in a by and large significant manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum generally has seen a value reduction of 0.65%. Coming to $1,860.73 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $236.78 following a value change of 0.44% inside a similar time period in a very enormous manner. XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP, essentially is up by 0.66. and right now exchanging at 47 cents fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they by and large thought. These occasions in a real sense show that the market truly is going in a kind of descending bearing, for commonly transient in a fundamentally significant manner. Right now, a by and large broad in every way that really matters, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. Lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. SPEL especially token help and obstruction backing and opposition, sort of are significant specialized pointers used to especially recognize essentially key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, which especially shows that yet prior to jumping profound into the SPEL specialized examination, certainly let us discuss the sort of current economic situations, or so they really thought. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers basically become kind of more genuinely dynamic, and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which generally shows that yet prior to plunging sort of profound into the SPEL specialized investigation, by and large, let us basically discuss the by and large current economic situations, which especially is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which dealers basically become move especially dynamic, and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving commonly higher in an in every way that really matters, significant way. Following for the most part are the help and obstruction levels of basically SPEL genuinely token. SPEL, for the most part SPEL, especially token execution. The cost of explicitly SPEL pretty token. SPEL, explicitly is at $0.000869994. down 1.69% in the very beyond 24 hours, and especially has a value change of 6.06% throughout the week, which generally is very huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC sort of is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while exceptionally all-out market cap came to $89,992,626 United States dollars, which certainly shows that these occasions generally demonstrate that the market most certainly is going in an especially descending heading for especially transient in an unobtrusive manner. There certainly are practically 103,446,920,678 in every way that really matters are available for use out of 103,214,939,480 in an unpretentious manner. Spell sort of token value examination sort of spell cost investigation for 08 July 2023, insight and in every way that really matters, day-to-day time period, generally made sense of underneath, exhibiting how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a value diminishing of 0.65%. Coming to $1,860.73 during the past 24 hours, which generally is very huge. We utilize sort of relative strength INDEX-RSI, moving commonly normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including commonly basic moving commonly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving especially normal, EMA2 in every practical sense. Examine the future development of the spell token. Kind of additional appearance how these occasions truly demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in a truly descending bearing for commonly present moment, which especially is very critical. While spell's Williams %R marker generally is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange really signal basically is conceivable at this reach in an extremely significant manner. The spell United States dollar moving in every practical sense, normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, pointer, truly is demonstrating a kind of present moment all things considered, sell extremely signal as the MACD line in every way that really matters, is moving underneath commonly signal line which basically implies buy and large bears generally are overwhelming on the lookout, which certainly shows that the $0.00746995 support level for spell United States dollar in every practical sense is areas of strength for truly, generally is very critical. According to the cost examination, the spell cost may fundamentally track down help at these essential degrees of $0.00082290, $0.00746995, moving underneath these levels could in every practical sense carry the cost to $0.00068490, which explicitly shows that the $0.00746995 support level for spell United States dollar in a real sense is major areas of strength for truly, generally is very huge. On the for the most part opposite